In this video I will show you how to soften the skateboard bushing by applying some holes on the side. It's better to have a softer bushing than just to release this nut here, because if you have a hard bushing and you release this nut, then you will have a very shaky skateboard in the middle for slow turn radius, and then once you start to turn a little more, it becomes immediately hard. While with this trick, it's like having a soft bush and you have a very progressive bending for the track. Okay, so I will drill the hole with this tool. So you press hard. It is better to make only one side at a time, otherwise you are not going straight and the result is terrible like this one. While the first hole is always very nice. I will drill 4 holes, 4 of them, and they should be sufficient. For this conical bushing I will use before a smaller tip and then a 5mm tip, so it is easier to make a drill, otherwise it will run away. And voila. So I start with the 3 holes and 3 holes, and eventually we can add some other later. Now let's put back the bushing with the holes. So this is the result compared to this one that doesn't have the holes and is much stiffer. It's much easier for him to make a turn. Let's see.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above.